Welcome back, guys. This is episode 3 of this series. In the last episode, we looked into web servers and domains. In this episode, I'll be showing you how to acquire a hosting service and also your domain. Now, I'll be demonstrating with two platforms. Guys, please note that this video was not endorsed by any of these platforms. Rather, by knowing this process, you can actually purchase your hosting and domain yourself. So without further ado, let's dive in. Now, guys, to start, we have to access Namecheap. And we do that by typing namecheap.com on our browser's address bar. At Namecheap, you'll find options like shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting. For a beginner, shared hosting is often a good choice. So let's take Stellar Plus as an example. When choosing, always review features like the number of websites supported, storage capacity, SSL inclusion, and whether they provide cPanel access. With VPS hosting, you will want to look at CPU cores, VRAM, and storage. Note, these specs are very vital because they determine how well your hosting can handle traffic and content demands. Once you've chosen a hosting plan, add it to your cart. The platform will prompt you to link a domain. You can search for one right there. Let's say something like have you subscribed.com? Have you? Have you? Have you? If it's available, add it to your cart. The hosting and domain will then be linked automatically to the server and you can proceed with payment. After payment, you access your Namecheap dashboard. That's how simple and easy it is to purchase a hosting and a domain. These steps are very similar regardless the hosting provider. Let's go over to Domain King. To access Domain King, we will also search domainking.com on our address bar. The process here is also similar, like that of Namecheap. Regardless of the provider, there are key things to look for in any hosting plan. For example, cPanel access is very essential for hosting or server management. Domain King offers plans like DA Soldier, DA Minister, and the King plan. I currently use the DA Minister, but the steps to purchase are the same across plans. After purchasing your hosting and domain, you will access your dashboard. Each provider dashboard may look slightly different, but they should have similar options like cPanel access. cPanel is where you manage your website technical aspects. It provides server management tools. For VPS users, note that you will access the WHM. WHM provides a broader range of server management tools. Welcome back, guys. So this is the end of this episode. In this episode, I showed us how to acquire a hosting and a domain. In the next video, I'll be diving into a very important topic, introduction to the cPanel, the control panel. Guys, if you found this video resourceful, please kindly share and like, and stay tuned for more videos and series to come. Thanks for watching. Bye.